Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Louis Vuitton effect on Instagram. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your Instagram application. As you can see, this is the effect. Alright, and you can tap on the screen, change the look of the effect. Ta-da! Lovely. Alright, so to get this effect, you want to go ahead and follow this person. I'm going to save the effect. You want to go ahead and follow this person, Omek Savage, and you want to click on the picture you see right here. All right, and then click on this picture right here. All right, this is the preview of the effect. So you want to go ahead and click on try it to activate it right in your Instagram application. Like I said before, you can just tap on the screen, change the look of the effect, okay? Just like so. All right, so if you cannot get this effect like this, what you can do is to click on the link in the description below and follow me on this site, okay? All right, so once you're here, what you want to do is to wait for the page to load properly, and then you want to scroll down. Scroll down until you see this very page here, okay? And you can see this is the symbol Louis by Omek Savage. You want to go ahead and click on this link right here. And once you click on that link, it's gonna take you to Instagram, right, like so. And this is how you activate the effect on your phone. All right, so please like, share, and subscribe to keep me going, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.